Hello everyone. So this was a question on Joule-Thomson expansion of a gas, and they have asked that what type of process is this. So we know that this Joule-Thomson or Joule-Kelvin both are same. This expansion, there is a coefficient that is calculated that is known as Joule-Thomson or Joule-Kelvin coefficient, and it is how the temperature changes with pressure at constant enthalpy. So first of all, it is isoenthalpic process. So this was about this question. But students, I recommend you to read this topic for real gases. Take van der Waals gas, calculate this Joule-Thomson coefficient, see the temperature of inversion where this just changes in sign, and what is this process in which a throttling gas is going from a high pressure to low pressure, and then temperature suddenly changes. For example, for these common gases, the temperature falls. And read everything about this topic, Joule-Thomson expansion, especially that inversion curve, Joule-Thomson coefficient, calculate it for van der Waals gas. All those things you should do. So for every question that you see in any of the previous year list, try to read left and right around that topic. So that will give you the overall feeling of that subject. Okay, thank you so much.